Assalamualaikum, hope you all are fine. In this video, we will learn about the reaction of amines. So, firstly, we will see the basicity of primary, secondary, and tertiary amines and their order, in which they are in aqueous solution, and we see their basicity. And basicity increased by the electron donating group and is decreased by the electron withdrawing group. So, firstly, we have the second order or secondary amine is in on the first position, and then is the primary amine, and then second tertiary amines, and the last one is ammonia. This is the order of basicity of primary, secondary, and tertiary amines in aqueous solution. And the other is the reaction of amines. So the reaction of amine with acid halide, and we see their mechanism. And on the first is acyl chloride, which react with the primary amine, and it is a nucleophilic addition reaction in which the lone pair of amine group will attack on the carbon that has double bond with the oxygen, and due to the attack of the lone pair, it will the amine group will attach with the carbon atom, and the oxygen will get negative charge. So the next step is deprotonation, means the removal of hydrogen positive ion. In this step, hydrogen from amine group will remove, and the positive charge of amine will be disappear, and the lone pair will appear. And the other is the next step is the expelling of chloride ion. The chloride ion will leave with the electron from carbon atom, and due to the loss of carbon electron, the oxygen will donate its two electrons, or one pair of electron, and form a bond with the carbon atom, and there will be a formation of pi bond. And we have our final product, that is secondary amide. And this is the reaction of amine with acid halide. So the next is the reaction of amine by alkyl halide. So firstly, we will take primary amines, and it is a chain reaction in which the primary amine, when react with primary halide, it will form a salt of secondary amine, and then the salt of secondary amine will react with primary amine. It will form a secondary amine, and when the secondary amine will react with the alkyl halide, it will form salt of tertiary amine. So it is the chain process, and at the end, the final product is salt of tertiary amine. The next is a reaction of primary amines with aldehydes and ketones. And we will see the first order or primary amines which react with the aldehyde or ketone. So we will write the numbering with alkyl groups, that is R1 and R2 on alkyl aldehyde or ketone, and R3 which R3 group of uh, alkyl group that is attached with the amine. And we will see where the alkyl group will attach on the final product. So when these two react with each other, they form a Schiff base. And because of the formation of Schiff base, it is also a product that can be reversible with the protonated Schiff base, or that is conjugate acid of Schiff base, and with the byproduct, that is water. Because of the byproduct of water, it will gain or lose proton, and form Schiff base or protonated Schiff base. So the next is a reaction with nitrous acid to form diazonium ion. So firstly we will take amine, and it will react with the HNO3, and that is a nitrous acid, and with alkyl halide, that is negatively charged, and proton that is positively charged, and the final product that is a diazonium ion. Diazonium ion is the nitrogen triple bonded, and on nitrogen there will be a positive charge, so this will be known as diazonium ion. And the byproduct is water. um, and nitrogen is an excellent living group, because this ion, diazonium ion, will leave easily from the ring. So this is the reaction of nitrous acid to form diazonium ion. And this is the final topic of alkyl halides and amines chapter. Thank you so much. Take care. Allah Hafiz.